Okay, so now that we have the entire system put together, we want to run a system test of the peripheral devices. That is the fan, the water pump, and the two solenoids. We just did a test a second ago of the sensors to make sure they're running all right, and we can get readings off each one of those. So this will be the reciprocal test of the peripherals, and eventually we'll be able to control the peripherals with the sensors. So the test that I have set up right here is I have two lamps right here. This one is plugged into the peripheral line for the solenoid, and this one is plugged into the peripheral line for the fan. I don't know if you can see that right there. And then, of course, in one of the solenoid lines, I have the solenoid plugged in right here. So this will be kind of harder to test because it really needs some water running through it, the solenoid. It's like a water valve, of course, but you'll still be able to hear it tick inside of there. It has a coil that opens and closes like a valve, so you'll be able to hear that clap inside of there. Alright, so let's see. Let's try turning on the relay for the water pump. Boom. Alright, so let's try turning that one off and turning on the fan. And then, alright, we can turn that off. And then let's try turning on the worm bin. I don't know if you can hear this, but there's a small snap right there. Okay, so everything looks like it's working. Of course, I only have one of these built, the solenoid with the connector, and so you'll want to have both built and test both the worm, which is this one's plugged in, and the plant. So once you get those up and running, that means all your peripherals are running, and all of the routing of control of the peripherals will be handled through readings off of the sensors pulled in through the C running on the Arduino. And that's about it for now.